sir. Right back. Hot fear boy, camera girl, be careful. Shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up, shoot them up, shoot them up. Right over here. See what milk here? It's like it's almost boiling. Not a thing no wrong. Cause look here. We don't want when look here. You see this niceness on the top of it? Yeah, we want to get off all of that. And we might not put all. So you want the milk to be at a temperature that when you put it into the already pot, you don't have a different color. Okay, y'all? You not get it's not a different color, I'm sorry. You don't get the thing start boiling. You notice it is still boiling? Yeah. So you don't put the cold milk inside of the thing. And look at it now. Look at it. Look at it. So now, this is what we have. So look here. If you feel like you love soup, you know, put the camera up on me. You can start taste this, you know, because this kind of pork cook, you know. Pork cook. If you come from country, you know that when your mother say, a pork cook, we are going to drink look like soup water for bossy gas. A pork cook, yeah? Don't taste like this. Good, sir. Good, sir. Alright. So look at this now. This is green gungo soup. You don't want no red soup, no pink soup, and no purple soup. This is the color of the peas. You don't want the soup getting any dark color. You don't want the soy sauce, and you don't want all the browning and all them sort of stuff. It's green gungo soup, y'all. So it must stay with this color and the coconut burn. Now, right over here, these are the herbs that I'm going to use to flavor. Remember, I told you it's flat, so you've got to link. You got to know the type of herbs, but we are going to link all that we used or all that I use in the description for you. If you want to twist, because you know it's kitchen and you want to make your own twist, you go ahead and put what you feel to put. So I'm going to link for you all. So I'm going to go now, chop all of these herbs because they must be finely chopped. So when you see me next, we are going to see all of my little herbs chopped and all of my little rest of something, and we're going to put it inside here and you're going to see what is happening. We're going to leave it now on a medium flame. We don't want it to cook too like it crazy, you know. So we're going to leave it on medium flame, going right now to chop our herbs. So when we return, we have herbs well chopped off. Show you them. We're going to put them right in there and we are going to leave them finish now.